With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
What is the role of fuse used in series with any electrical appliance? Why should a fuse with defined rating not be replaced by one with a larger rating? So let's first try to understand this first question. That is, what is the role of fuse used in series with any electrical appliance? This is how a fuse looks like. It consists of a wire that has low melting point and high resistivity. What is fuse basically? A fuse is a safety device. It's a safety device that we use to protect our electrical appliances that we use at our homes. For example, this is a circuit, this is the battery, and we have connected the fuse in series with the electrical device or anything else. So let's suppose 5 ampere current flows through this circuit, and we also know that in a series circuit same amount of current flows through everything that comes in its way. So let's suppose this is a fuse. So what is the amount of current that will flow through this fuse? 5 amperes, and through this 5 amperes, and what reaches our device is also 5 amperes. Let's say this device works when the current is 5 amperes. That means if it exceeds, the device will burn, the device will get damaged. Now let's say because of some faults in the main line or in any circuit, the current exceeds and changes to 6 amperes. Okay, 6 ampere, it becomes 6 amperes. And when it becomes 6 amperes, what is the amount of current that will flow through this fuse? 6. And if this fuse had not been there, what is the amount that will flow through this circuit? That is 6 amperes. And what will reach here? 6 amperes. And what would happen to our device? It will burn because of the exceed in the current that it actually works on. Now that we have placed a fuse in between, when 6 ampere currents will flow through this, the fuse will melt, because I said it contains a wire that has low melting point. And for example, its rating is it allows only 5 amperes current to pass through it. When 6 ampere currents comes, it melts. And when it melts, it breaks down the circuit. What does that mean? Short circuit. And we also know that if anything, or let's say a wire or a fuse or anything else breaks in a series circuit, the whole circuit stops working. Right? That's what happens in series case. So if this stops working, the current will not reach here and it won't reach here. And when it won't reach here, our device is protected. It won't be harmed by this 6 ampere current. Okay, so that's why we connect them in series. But what would happen if we connect the same fuse in parallel circuit? Let's see that. This is our parallel circuit, and we also know that different amount of currents pass through different branches. Let's say I1 passes through this, and I2 and I3. Now this is a fuse that we have connected in this branch. Say for example, device requires 5 amperes. Again, we'll take the same example, and 6 ampere current comes through this circuit. When it reaches here, let's say out of 6, 2 ampere current flows through this, and the rating of this is say 1 amperes. So it would burn. But what if the device, let's change the example, works on only 0.5 amperes, and when this would burn, the current won't pass through this, but the whole circuit is still working. Get that? That means in parallel circuit, if one of the branches break, that doesn't matter for the whole circuit. The current will still reach to our device, and that will damage our device. That's why we connect fuse in series with our electrical appliance. So that gives us the answer for the first question. Second is, why should a fuse with defined rating not be replaced by one with a larger rating? Okay, now let's say the rating of this fuse is 5 amperes. As we studied before, like if 6 amperes current comes through it, it won't allow it, it will break down, and our device would be saved. For example, we change the rating of this fuse to 7 amperes. We have increased the rating from 5, it changes to, we have changed it to 7 amperes. And when that happens, let's say now 6 ampere current flows through it and our device works only on 5 amperes. So this fuse would allow 6 ampere currents to pass through it because its rating is 7. So 6 ampere won't melt it down and that won't break the circuit. And 6 ampere current flows through this and reaches here and damages our device. So that's why we should never use a fuse like with a larger rating than it is before. If this works on 5 amperes, we cannot increase its rating because that will also damage our device. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.